CPAPmachines.ca. Today we are unboxing the Dreamstation Auto Package so you know what to expect when you make a purchase from us. Let's open the box. Let's take everything out and see what's inside. When you open the package, you will find the invoice, postcards, the machine package, and once you open the machine package, you will find the machine manual, a standard tubing, the power supply, and the actual Dreamstation Auto CPAP unit. You will also find your choice of mask. In this case, it is the Mirage FX nasal mask, the heated tubing for the Dreamstation, some replacement filters, as well as a mask wipe. So these are all the items that you will expect when you purchase the Dreamstation Auto Package. Shop more at CPAPmachines.ca.